Okay, in this example, they tell you that the area is equal to 200 square feet. So here they want you to make a chart of all the possible perimeters. Remember that perimeter is when you add all the sides together. So we know that area is equal to 200 square feet, and area is length times width, or base times height. So one possible length and width is 1 and 200, because 1 times 200 is going to give me 200. When I add them, I get 402 feet. Okay, and the way I get the perimeter is to add all four sides. Another possibility is 2 and 100. And when I add all the four sides, it'll give me 204. Another possibility is 4 times 50. And when I add all the sides up, it'll give me 108. And you pretty much do this for all the different choices that you have. The only restraint that you have to remember is whatever numbers you pick for your length and width, when you multiply those two numbers together, they have to give you 200. Now, if you notice, I'm only picking certain lengths and widths. The reason I'm not picking, let's say, 7 is that I don't have any number or any whole number times 7 that'll give me 200. Or I don't have any whole number times 6 that'll give me 200. So I'm only picking the numbers that when I multiply it by another whole number will give me 200. Once I'm done filling up the table, then I can use the data that I got in the table to fill out my graph. What I do is I use the points that I got in my graph and I plot them. And that'll tell me what the graph is going to look like. As I look at my graph, I can see that as the length increases between 0 and 10, the width decreases. But once I get to 10, then my graph starts to go up. And it doesn't decrease in a straight line because it's not decreasing at a constant rate.